Welcome everybody. Today we'll take a look at Mileseey L52 multifunctional cross marking level. This is the model number is L52G. Let's open it up and I'll show you. It has a testing label. There's a manual here and we have this box. Looks decent. Good to have a cover. There you go. Looks pretty decent. The reason I like this product is this, that it has magnet and built into it. The only other product which does is DeWalt. I was looking for something which is, lightweight, and for a hobbyer DIYer, this seems more than sufficient for their usage, right? You can attach it to anywhere wall where you have decent magnets are there, like mostly the corner of the walls where you might have a steel rod there and it will just stick to it just fine. Other than that, there is a 1/4 inch hole which you can use it to put it on tripod. So far, quality looks really good. I am impressed so far. So let's put the batteries in. So if you notice here you have a plus sign and a minus sign. Look at that, and same way, plug it in. To start it, start like that, and right now it's up. You should be able to see the line and the cross laser here. So it has self-leveling feature as well. So the level itself is pretty good. It's flashing right now, it means it's not level. You put it this way, so it's a perfect cross level. So this is how you can see when it's not totally stable, it's gonna flash. If you do it, put it on a stable surface, in that case it will stay stable. So auto leveling is pretty good, usually works really well. Not like a big problem or something, and as you can see, go up, the cross lines are really looking good here. If you are seeing that it's not level, or you want to have, say, this location and you don't want to change anything, then what you do is turn it off from the button here. Turn it off. Now press the top button for 3 seconds. And now you can see it's in a manual mode, no auto self-leveling. So you can see that you can set it up, and this is how it works. So here you can see it's right using the magnet on the wall without any problems, right? No extra attachment or something. I can move it on the wall up and down because it's a magnet piece, so it works perfectly well there. This is how it looks on the wall, so I can set it up and down. So this was my number one reason to buy this particular product, because that's where I didn't want to use a lot of, tripods and a lot of gizmos to, balance it. And then, so in short, typically what we see in the laser levels is that if you have a pole or belt, then you can use it to put it that way. Or there is a nail clip is there, plus magnets are there. So it's pretty much self-sufficient. I didn't want too much to carry with me, and that's why it's good. I do have another laser level, and I think one of the things I found missing in this is that if I can't just set it to, a horizontal bar or vertical bar. It's always the crossbar mode, which is not a big deal, but that's one of the differences to know compared to some other laser monitors we have, which allows you to make that changes. One other thing which is super important was that it's kind of shock-proof, drop-proof, dust-proof, and IP rated as well. So it's not standard in many of the other laser levels at this price point I have found. So I think for the price, this is pretty reasonable stuff, and any DIYer, this would be like pretty much a go-to thing. That would be all for today. Hopefully this is helpful in your purchasing decision. Like it, and if you have not subscribed it, subscribe it. Thank you.